for this accomplishment isn't taken so lightly. It begins as
sometimes opportunities are next to us, or behind us, or below us. Just try to find. You are business degree students. You are business students. So don't always say no. Try to find maybe that the opportunity is directly next to you. Don't just focus where everybody is looking. Try to find yourself a way. You know, the easiest way to be a successful person in your life is to create your own way. Don't follow others. Otherwise, you will be always the second or third. And believe me, nobody will remember who is the second guy. Everybody will speak always about the first guy who came to the moon. Do you know who is the second guy who went to the moon? No idea. I don't know his name. I believe he's famous next to his family, but to us, we don't know his name. We know only the first person who went to the moon, first person who went to wherever. We know first person who discovered America, first person who discovered the way to India, and so on. We don't know the second person. Don't try to be second. Don't try to follow people's way. That's all I wanted to say to students.
And we have chosen a different route to complete our studies, a different comparing to that other traditional universities offer, and we have chosen